Oh, okay, making a video. Toolbar kind of video, this thingy. You don't pay any attention to this if you're not interested in this, whatever you call it, thing. This whatever, tool thing, and the tinychat thing, and so that's what this video is about. So anyway, this is one of these typical menu things that I make, like there's one in here, for my videos. And so I'll probably installing it into something like that eventually, someplace on the website. It'll probably be on the home page. We'll see how it goes. So the link to just the page that does this, it's called LBox. That's at the Tools, see up here, Tools, on the Do Not God website. And, I'll provide a link below. So, and you just, this loads the toolbar, that box, this link, so you bookmark it, which means you slide it up to your bookmarks and release it and such, and there it goes, and then it's installed, and that's it as a bookmark. Now if you want it as something that loads on every web page, then you have to do the grease monkey thing, and if you have Chrome, you have to do that works on Firefox. If you use Chrome, you have to use the tamper monkey thing, which I haven't done, so I don't have much experience with it, don't know if it really works, but anyway, you just hit the bookmark and the menu pops up. And the point will be is that there'll be an announcement when it's tinychat. So anyway, so this is the standard if you just want the box thing. And if you want the link to something, if you've requested power to announce tinychat rooms, I'll be sending you a link to a page like this. So it's the same page. You got the link for the toolbox down here, but it has another link up here, and that's the link that does the whatever, tinychat announcement thing. So you put that in your bookmarks. You bookmark it by right-clicking and adding to bookmarks, or you just slide it into a place that has your bookmarks if you have that on your browser. And when you click it, like I'll do right now, this kind of thing will pop open. Most of it doesn't mean anything. And I think by closing an announcement, when it isn't open, it'll open the announcement anyway, but it doesn't matter. And so for each person's page, I will create a different announcement, but I'll say there's Talking tinychat. You click that link. No. What the hell is that? No. What? There's not supposed to be any no. That's hilarious. No. Well, what is that? I did not program that. That's just so funny. No. It's hilarious. It's not working right. Oh, so I have to fix it already. I mean, I just, close it now, so let's see what that does. No. Oh, I have no idea. There's no way it should just say no. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't make any sense. Let me turn off Grease Monkey and reload the page. I don't know, that's just bizarre. I don't have any explanation. Ugh, let's do this video over again. I can't believe it. Well, maybe I'll just stop here and then fix it and then come back. See what happens. No. Alright, I'll be back. I have to figure out what the fuck that's about. Ah, okay, I'm back. Problem resolved. Stupid passwording stuff. Anyway, yeah, I made a mistake. So, I fixed it. Now it works. So now when you click it, the thing opens. I say there's Talking tinychat. It doesn't say no anymore. It opens this. The tinychat link is active, and I'll put some sort of stuff in there and fix these individually. And, and that'll be it. So anyway, the people who have the tool, this location for this exclusively password-coded blah 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 and all that crap, yeah, you use it as your own, give it away at your own discretion to other people. And like I said, if they spam with it, I'm going to disable that tool. So that's just how it'll work. So it's no big deal, no tragedy, just some way to protect myself from people just making a mess, which they inevitably will do. So eventually I'm going to do that with the adding a link. So you can add a link here, by clicking the link thing, and this will actually add a link to a page. I'll add this one because this is a coded one, so don't want to give that away for free. Anyway, so yeah, that should be enough. The rest of the stuff, the TL thing does the tools, you know, the reload just reloads it, which I don't know if we really need that anymore, but I'll see. The link thing does the, if you're on a page you want to link to, like I could go to, let's just say the Modern Mystics page. There we go, that's a good page. I'll reload it just to make sure everything's working properly. And so I don't have Grease Monkey on at the moment, so I'll load the toolbar. See, tinychat is active. And so if I hit link, the menu opens, and I could do this stuff, but I'm going to disable, I'm going to change all that crap, so it doesn't really matter, and I can just go edit now, and it should show up right there. There it is, over the peak. So it does work, just have to do some work on it. But eventually that link will be another separate link you'll have to bookmark, so I can control it again, protect it from crazy fucks who just want to make a mess and such. You know, and then the YouTube thing just does this YouTube thing, you know, where it loads YouTube videos. So, and there's another tool here, the black and white one fell down here. I don't know if it still works. No. It linked to, I ended up hitting the link to the web page. So yeah, I gotta fix that. It really should work. It shows up, so it should work as a link. And it's right on the border of being outside the range. Let's see if that works. Yeah, see, it worked. So it's barely there for the hitting. That's sort of an interesting look. I kind of like it. But anyway, so I have to fix that whole black and white thing. But if you hit the black and white thing twice, actually it goes back to white. So it just changes it to all white. Well, it's supposed to change it to all white. It's kind of funny. It left a residue in the back there, two borders. Strange. Not supposed to do that. Hit black again. It's okay. White. Oops. Yeah. I don't know why it's leaving that. That's strange. There's some more things to look into. I'm just so tired. Anyway, I won't explain everything, but the white one does work pretty good. It changes the links so you know which ones are internal links and external links, which ones are visited links, unvisited links, and does all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm mumbling to boot. Yeah, I'm just have this fatigue problem lately. Yeah, so I will send the thing out and see if it works and blah blah blah, and I think this is enough of an explanation. So you just bookmark, this is the TCA, is the tinychat announcement link. So even if you don't load the toolbar, you can still use the announcement linker thing. And yeah, I'll use the Over the Peak website as an example. So if I go to the TCA, and now I want to, oh, I thought the link was on. Oh, I might went over the menu. The link is actually on. See, if I reload it, let me just reload it. Well, if I reload it this way, it should, yeah, tinychat is active. So you can see that it is correct. So now I can deactivate it just by using this, you know, hit the TCA link, close announcement, and then it should go back to being a invisible X over there. What now? What's your problem? Apparently I broke something else. I broke the CGI file. Anyway, let me try mine. Let's close this one and I'll try my version of it. Close announcement. I think it worked that time. So anyway, so now when I reload it, well, I guess I could have just hit the DNG 6 thing, and then it should be back to normal. Yeah. So anyway, if you use this with Grease Monkey, that's where it's really going to be useful, is because all of a sudden these menus will pop open, and I'll see them when the room is active, that kind of thing. Yeah, I mean, this does have a use. It just has to be perfected. But whatever, we'll play with it and see how it goes. See if anything constructive comes out of it. So any questions, comments, blah blah blah, whatever, fine. Yeah. I mean, this is just irritating. I mean, I gotta go through this bullshit to figure out why the close announcement link doesn't work. Alright, so the announcement link doesn't work either. Fuck. What the fuck did I do? Somebody know? I don't know what I did. Which one is this? I have to figure out what version it is. On M. Okay, so I have to go fix that one. I did break it a little bit, but I didn't think I broke it. I didn't think I broke it catastrophically, so I'll have to fix it. Apparently I did break it catastrophically. Apparently. Alright, I'll make sure it works. I'll probably make sure it works.